Do you know how to use a one-step equation to solve a real-world problem? Let's take a look at an example. Sam has spent the summer cutting the lawns of the people in his neighborhood. He saved all the money that he made. Now he wants to buy a new bike. If the bike will cost 1/3 of what he made this summer, how much money did Sam make if the bike costs $238? Let's take a look at this problem and then use a one-step equation to solve it. First, let's think about what we know. We know that Sam had a job cutting lawns, and we know that he saved all his money. He wants to buy a new bike. The bike is going to cost 1/3 of the amount of money he made this summer. If the bike cost $238, how much money did he make? So another way to think about this problem is to think 1/3 of the total money is going to equal $238, because $238 is the cost of the new bike, and we know from the problem that the new bike was 1/3 the total amount of money that Sam made. So here's our equation. 1/3 of the total amount of money is equal to 238, which is the price of the bike. Now here's a one-step equation that we are going to solve. Let's write the equation once again. 1/3 of the amount of money is equal to $238. Now we want to get M alone. We do that by multiplying by the inverse of the 1/3, which is 3/1. We're going to do that to the left side of the equation, and we're going to do it over here on the right. Watch what happens. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. These cancel, leaving 1, which means M is now alone, equals 238 times 3. 238 times 3 is 714. So we can say that based on this equation that Sam made a total of $714 this summer. We can also check our work. Let's take a look at how to do that. First, we start with the original equation. 1/3 M is equal to 238. Now, according to the work we just did, we know that M is $714. So we can say 1/3 times 714 is equal to 238. 714 is a whole number, so we're going to put it over 1. 1 times 714 is 714. 3 times 1 is 3, equals 238. Now let's divide 3 into 714, and we get 238 is equal to 238. Our answer checks and our work is complete. So we can say with confidence that Sam made a total of $714 this summer.